Welcome to Smart Spice Rack Showcase 2021. Are you in a situation where you are fed up with managing spices in your kitchen? No worries. Wind Machine is here to solve your problem and is proud to present Smart Spice Rack. So you guys be wondering why Smart Spice Rack? Because it's cool, it's good, and the best part is it saves time. As every project requires team efforts, we have a team of wonderful people. So let me introduce the team members. Amit Sondi is a team leader. Raman Tomar was responsible for hardware assembly. Simran Kaur Saini developed the database for the project. Manpreet Kaur did the Arduino coding and Arminderjit Kaur Virk was on Android coding. So you must be wondering how the Smart Spice Rack works. First, we download the app on our Android device from Google Play Store. Once done, we sign up for a new account or log in with the existing one. With login successful to the application, we get home screen with our spices, real-time inventory information. It is exciting to see what happens at the server end. So basically, the FSR sensors are installed in the spice rack, which will sense the data or values. When the level go down to 10%, the values will be reflected on the smartphone and the user will get notified to get the inventory full. Hope you like it. First, let's see what has been done on Android platform by Amit Sondi.
Android Studio is basically used to create the Android applications, so I also use that one to make the Smart Spice Rack. So basically, I divided the main activity into number of activities after creating the fragment for the application and build the code for each of the fragment, and I compile all of the codes at the final stage while creating the application.
So once we had our Android application, let's see what was done on our hardware assembly by Raman Tomar.
So, tools selected for hardware assembly are Arduino Uno Wi-Fi Rack 2 chipset, glass spice rack, and 4 sensitive resistors. What happens once hardware assembly is complete? As of now, we have glass spice rack installed with FCR sensors and Arduino chipset. Data received from this will be transferred to database, from where it will be sent to customer's account on Android app.
So now let's have a picture of how Simran Sani created database. It is really important to know what softwares we have used. For this, we have used Google Firebase and Android Studio. So the question is why we choose these two softwares. We selected these softwares as Google Firebase provides authentication, it's a real-time database, it provides dynamic link, it does cloud storage, and lab testing can be done. And the reason for selecting Android Studio is it provides accurate and faster programming, it helps in creating richer and connected applications, it provides with lots of features, and it is optimized for all Android devices. Under Authentication section, you can provide authentication to the users. For this, we have given authentication such as by emails and password. Let's take a look at the linking of components phase by Manpreet Kaur.
Let us see fetching of data between Firebase application and hardware. To link Firebase database to Android, we used Android Studio to connect to an Android app. a Fireways project was created. Then the app was registered with Fireways using the Fireways console. Then in the app added the setup file and HTTP file. We have gone over the more simple backend process, which uses the JSON post method to connect the sensor module to the Fireways real-time database cloud system using Arduino Duo Wi-Fi.
Well, that was a brief information about linking. Let's see what has been done in application interfacing by Arminderjeet Kaur Virk.
To add the spices in the stock from the inventory bank, firstly enter the spice name and quantity that how much need in the kitchen. According to this, it will reveal the cost of each spices. Just enter the name and then click on the save data. Then it will give the list of all spices that we are buying and create a history which will help to in the future that which product we already got and which one we need in the time. It will show all the list as well as their quantity and cost.
First of all, top layer is displaying our Firebase database. Screen on the left display our Android application, and on the right it is displaying our spice rack with sensors installed on it. In there, we see that when container of salt is lifted from the hardware platform, we get a database updated with new values and vice versa. So in this, whenever customer spices go out of stock, they get alert on their Android application regarding that, so that they can have the knowledge of the spices inventory in their kitchen. Download now Smart Spice Rack from Google Play Store. Thank you.